So we have already checked before, so we try also to run this. So our volts from here going to transistor, this is our voltage. So we have a potentiometer here, so we need to uh, supply this by from here to, so what's the we have now. Oh look, if we have four, no, so 0.7 volts if we applied from here to base. So look, they are not then we have 6 milliampere here if we are supplying 0.7 volts here. So then about the ampere of this motor, and then this so we need to try to increase the voltage from here. So 3.5. So look, now here 26 point something milliampere. So our motor now is running, and then LED is now on. So look, if we decrease 1.7 volts, look, then our milliampere here is no. Okay, 1.7 we have here supplying by this, but look, okay, let us try again. Suppose, so we try again. So our supply is 4.96 volts DC from this. So we have 0.8 volts, then 20 milliampere here. If we increase the voltage, look what happened. Okay, 3.1. So 22 milliampere here about the emitter, and then through this motor. So here's our circuit here. So look, so if we are supplying 3.2 volts from here in our base, so but LED will not turn on, so we need to increase 3.8. so this is 25 milliamperes by 5 volts. So that's it. So then we need to know how many voltage here also transfer from here. So let us see. So we check also from here. So the voltage here from here, then ampere also we need to check, then voltage from here. So let's try. Output 10 volts, 10 milliampere. So here is millivolts, so 100. Here is 700. The base from here, so we need to turn on. Look what is happening. 27 milliampere from here. Then the voltage is 3 volts from this motor. Now is 3 volts. So look here. So by here the supply of the base is 4 volts. So if you increase the ampere here is increasing also, then 4.3, but here 5 volts going here. So if you guys supply 5 volts, so what's same from here, so 34 milliampere here. So we check also the ampere from here. If we are supplying 5 volts, then here also is 5 volts, because 5 4.2 and then milliampere, that is the wattage of this our motor when we run. Then when we off, how many watts? Yes, look, this is 16 milliampere, then 1.3 1.4 volts is they will off. So if you multiply that, that is, if you watts is only like so, and then the volts here is 2.1 volts. So that's it. So if you try to power on, no, 3.3, then here is 26 milliampere, so it will turn on that light. So but the maximum is 34, 4.2, 5 volts here, the base. So let's check also the here the ampere of this. Okay. So this 1 milliampere. So no, here's a voltage. Right. Okay. Okay. So okay, we have here 0.5 volts from here ground to base. So then 5 volts the supply, then here's the milliampere also going to the base, and here our voltage from here also. So we need to try to turn on the LED and then motor. So 1.1 milliampere, then the light and the pump 4.2 volts, or then 3.5 volts, 4.2 the base from here. Then the milliampere here is, we need to 1 milliampere to start the motor. So look, if we 1 point something, okay, 1.3, it will 5 volts, then 4.2. If we decrease the milliampere, okay, 0.4, it will stop the 0.5 milliampere, then 0.7. So look, then check here. Well, stop the motor. Then the reading from here is also for, then also here. So we need to turn on. Okay, 1.1. So milliamp here. If we 0.56, 2.2 volts. So stop. 1 point milliampere, it will turn on the light and the fan. So look, 3.9 volts supplied is watts. So this is here 3 milliamp, 3 volts plus before. So look, this full for 5 volts, 4.9, then 1 milliampere, 4.2 volts. So that is our full from here to here. So that's it. So okay.